Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, find pivot index. Okay, so let me explain with this example, 173656. So to solve this question, left total and the right total should be same, right? So we need a left and the right. So they should be same. And so question is, how can we calculate left total? So it's simple. If we iterate through from index 0, so we just add current number to left total, so that we can create a left total, right? And in this case, left total start with index, not index, total 0. And how about the right total? So how can we calculate right total? So it's simple. If we subtract left total from whole total, so we can create a right total, right? So that's why we need like a total. So this is a whole total. So this is just 1 plus 7, 8, and 11, 17, 22, 28. So in this case, total is 28. And we start from index 0. So this is a pivot number. So let's calculate the right total. So total is 28, and now left total is 0. So 28 minus 0 minus, so we are not include pivot number. So that's why minus 1 in this case. So total, right total should be 27, right? And then compare left total and the right total. So they are different. So in the case, we continue iteration. And then before we move next, so now our current pivot number is 1. So next time, this number will be like a part of left total, right? Because index move next. I mean, pivot number is index 1 next time. So that's why we should add 1 to left total and then move next. So now pivot number is 7. So total, right total should be 28 minus 1, 27 minus this number, so 7. So that's why right total should be 20. So I mean here, 3 plus 6, 9, 14, and 20, right? Looks good. And then compare left total and the right total, 1 and 20. So they are different. So in that case, before we move next, we should add 7 to left total, 8. And then move next. So now pivot number is 3. And calculate the right total, 28 minus 8. So 20 minus 3, 17. And compare left total and right total. So they are different, right? So that's why before we move next, add 3 to left total, 11, and move next. So now pivot number is 6. So calculate the right total. So 28 minus 11 and 17 minus 6 and 11. And compare left total and right total. And they are same, right? So that's why in this case, so we should return leftmost pivot index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So that's why we should return 3 in this case. So let's check. So we are not include 6, right? So left total should be here, right total should be here. So 8, 11, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So looks good. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, create a total. Total should be sum of all numbers. So nums. And then, so left total should be 0. And then iterate through one by one. So for I in range and length of nums. And first of all, calculate right total should be total minus left total minus pivot number. So nums and I. And then if right total equal left total, so in the case we should return current index number. If not the case, we should add current number to left total plus equal and nums and I. And then if we don't find like a equal number, so we should return -1. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is the number of elements in the input array. And the space complexity is 1. We don't use an extra data structure, just simple variable like a total and the left total and the right total. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.